Welcome to MultiGP News. Preparations underway for regional final number 5, and the battle for brackets in the North Central region will be fierce. Plus, jaw-dropping race footage from our previous finals that will leave you at the edge of your seat. It's the Get FPV, Get It Done moment you don't want to miss. Also, Jared Quillen takes second in individual races at International Drone Sports Championship in Korea. His one-on-one race against the great Min-Chan Kim coming up. Then tips and tricks from Ryan Evans in our tech corner, and meet the candidate running for AMA's District X Vice President. How he plans to help grow drone racing in the future. All this on MultiGP News. The North Central Regional Final is right around the corner. Right now, the bubble is 14 laps in 7 minutes and 37 seconds on a best of 3 of 5 to qualify. If you've already qualified, tickets are on sale now for the North Central Regional Final in Chicago, September 22nd and 23rd. Grab your pilot slots now. Accommodations at multigp.com. Also remember, we are anticipating a handful of international pilots at this regional final as well. Be sure to grab your pilot, international, or standby tickets before they're sold out. Again, practice and qualifying rounds take flight on Saturday, and Top 32 battle it out on Sunday, all live streamed at mgp.livefpv.com. North Central looks to be the toughest regional final in this series. Who is going to join us at Champs? Be there to help us decide. Here are the next upcoming races and wildcard events on the schedule.
Hey, this is Ryan Evans, also known as Rotorius online. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on the best way I've found to remove bearings from a mini quad motor. Let's take a look. The secret is this little guy right here. It's just a piece of steel wire, wire that's fairly stiff, but not so stiff that I can't bend it with needle nose pliers. It is just kind of twisted around in this shape where you have these little hooks that are going in opposite directions. Right, and those hooks are small enough so that, and this thing is kind of springy enough that you can squeeze them together, right? And those hooks will slide inside of a bearing, kind of like this. Just take it in there, just like that. Okay, and those hooks are grabbing onto the back side of the bearing. Next, what you do is take a shaft that's the same diameter as the motor shaft. Or you can use the motor bell itself, although just be cautious doing that so you don't damage anything. Insert it into the other bearing and have it contact the hooks. Hold the whole thing in your hand, and then tap on it with a hammer. Now, you don't need a big swing, just light taps will do. Alright, and there's the bearing. Easy enough.
MultiGP representing USA at International Drone Sports Championship in Korea. Jared J-Rod Quillen went head-to-head with the great Min-Chan Kim and ended up taking second in individual races. Take a look.
Yeah. Nope. Oh, he was just joking with the 3 minutes. There we are.
Oh, man. Oh, my God.
Both of them up. Jared is leading. Jared's in green. Now Min-Chan's leading. He's in red. This is race number 1. It's a best of 3. And this is Korea versus USA. This is for the championship. But again, it's a best 2 of 3. Min-Chan's turning it on, but Jared's right with them. He's only half of the low line straightaway apart as we get onto lap number 2 now.
Oh, he's gapping him.
Not by much. Not by much. Min-Chan over to the dive gate. Now we're 1 gate back with Jared. He's through the dive gate now.
No change.
White flag flying.
Oh,
yep.
We got Jared.
Jared just crashed. Jared just crashed. Min-Chan gets the win of race number 1.
Oh, he's back up. Jared's back up.
Well, he's the king of turtle mode. And Min-Chan through that dive gate, no issues.
Go 1-0.
Yeah, boom.
Oh my God.
Now with the turtle mode, I've counted 6 1,000, 7 1,000. With a turtle mode, 7 seconds back.
That's really impressive.
Yeah. 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 What's he saying? Would you read his lips?
Something to the effect of, that was crazy and awesome.
Meet Greg Stone from Southern California, and he's asking for your vote for AMA's District X Vice President. So pilots in Arizona, California, Nevada, Utah, Hawaii, listen up. Greg Stone is a huge supporter of multi-rotors. He needs your vote to keep drone racing in the mix and to help grow the hobby. He's big on youth participation STEM, working with high school and college students, bringing recognition to the hobby. He flies as well and is a part of many multi-rotor groups. In other words, he's one of us. His home field is OCMA FPV, SoCal FPV, and UAVS at UCI, which is both multi-rotor and aircraft. He's involved with the multi-rotor group at Silent Electric Flyers of San Diego, NorCal FPV, and a new site being set up at Palomar RC Flyers. Again, he wants to see what more can be done at the high school and college levels. He also supports the FPV WRA and did the first sanctioned FPV wing race with Team Legit. Votes must be postmarked by November 9th. Pilots, go out and vote for Greg Stone for AMA's District X VP and help mold a better future for FPV and drone racing, especially for all these young pilots coming in. For more information, visit AMA's website.
Now time for our Get FPV, Get It Done moment here from the Southwest Regional Finals in Ventura County, California. We look to the top left-hand corner. That's Dolma FPV, the leader in this race, in this winner's bracket, Final Four race. And bottom left-hand corner is Miwo FPV, the top qualifier. It's almost visual stereo. Dolma goes through the gate, Miwo goes through the gate. Watch them go through the launch. Horizon Hobby over to DRL. And now on this final lap, that's where the pass happens right before that Fat Shark corkscrew. Holy guy, Dolma gets distracted, crashes out, and Miwo with the win of the Southwest Regional Final. Hot on Dolma's heels for 2 and almost 3/4 laps and getting it done in a clinch. Let's watch that back in slow motion. In his targets, in his sights, DRL dive through to our Fat Shark corkscrew, and then from there, full throttle, wide open, or as they say in the Southwest, full send to that AMA start-finish gate. Congratulations to Miwo FPV, not only our Southwest Regional Champion, but also our first ever Get FPV, Get It Done moment pilot.
That's it for this week's news. Tune in next week as we catch up with the one and only Flip Mode FPV. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Manade reporting for MultiGP News.
If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.